ANDERZÉN.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to channel ANDERZÉN. If you've been following the adventures, you know that about a month ago my E420 basically let me down, left me stranded, and the culprit was the wiring harness on the throttle body. We got that rebuilt and I'm ready to start using it for daily duties again. It's been a long time and these cars don't like to sit. I want to kind of keep it running, keep the juices flowing, and start using it for daily duties again, because I really enjoyed doing so. And it's a lovely car to drive. It's super comfortable, plenty peppy, and with the gearbox that we have in it now, the manual swap, super fun as well. So I'm gonna get it kind of prepped, make sure it's still good. We've been working on a few things, getting rid of some ticking issues that we had, but I want to go start it up again. It's been sitting for a few days after we got the ticking to go away. So I'm gonna go start up right now, kind of cruise around a bit, and make sure it's good for tomorrow morning when we make our voyage to work. All right, you guys, you won't really be able to tell the difference from night versus morning when I leave, but it is nighttime right now. Going to start this thing up. We've also had, oh come on key. We've also had an issue with some water intrusion, so I'm not gonna put the carpets in yet. I need to drive it for a while, make sure that water is not coming back. Ooh, that's not good. Even moisture in there right now. That's probably just collected, but you can tell, I mean, it's definitely wet in here. I don't really know what the culprit is yet. I have a feeling it is the windshield seal, because it seems like a lot of it is just dripping down from in here. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Like I said, it's been probably 3 or 4 days. The ticking was pretty non-existent, so that's a great sign. But basically I'm just going to get it warmed up right now. I'm going to try to burn some of this condensation off, wipe it up in here, so that tomorrow morning it's not absolutely frozen, because it's been pretty cold. As you can tell, it's 31 degrees right now. It's been pretty cold in the morning, like mid-20s, so I don't want to have to sit around for a bunch of time getting it thawed out. If you drive it at night, it usually retains a lot of that heat and will be a lot better in the morning. So let's go take it for a little mini cruise, get it warmed up, exercised. Alright, you guys, we are out cruising. Just went up the hill that I go to on my way to work. It's still the nighttime right now. Yeah, I'm just taking it on a cruise, making sure it gets all up to temp, everything nice and warm and cooked, so that it doesn't have so much to thaw out tomorrow morning. Yeah, I love this car, man. This car is so special to me. It's just like, it's a lot of learning and just like, I don't know, I guess you could say like validating experience, or just everything that I've learned from this car means a lot to me, and this whole build means a lot to me. So it's really special to be able to drive it again. I really miss this thing, and I'm excited. I'm excited to take it to work tomorrow. Alright guys, she's thirsty. Might as well fill her up, get ready for tomorrow. Alright guys, not my preferred fill up spot, so just put like 10 bucks in it, just so we don't have to worry about it first thing in the morning. Fill it up at Costco once I actually have some time to do so. So let's head back home, and I'll probably catch you guys in the morning. It started up beautifully right now. I should have got that for you guys, but absolutely no ticking noise. It sounded just like normal. And yeah, I'm super happy with it. Again, it's just like slowly building up confidence, but it's earned my trust again. It's kind of like, if I want to quote one of my favorite quotes of MLK, or just my favorite quotes in general, faith is taking the first step without seeing the whole staircase. This car has been showing me everything I need, you know, to trust it, and at this point it's, you know, up to me to just take that step to drive it, and I want to, and it deserves to be driven. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. All right, good morning guys. Time to make our journey over to work. It's about 6:30 right now, so let's go hop out to the E420, head out. A little fogged up, not too bad. I gotta put something in that lock cylinder. Seems like it's getting stuck. Yeah. Alright, let's get this thing fired up. Gosh, man, I'm cold. Alright, be on our way here shortly. Alright, you guys, about 29 degrees out, by the way. I swear I just saw a little bit of snow, but we'll see. But I figured I should hit the record button right now because we are passing the spot where the problems began, right here on the right. Yeah. Right about there was where it finally decided to take a little rest. And then right here on the left is where I almost got stuck again after I got it restarted. But thankfully, she's such a trooper. Got me out of Dodge. But yeah, man, we're definitely having a cold streak right now. It's freezing. That would be interesting if I drove this and it happened to snow today. I had to drive home in the snow. That would make for a good video. A little bit of quarter throttle, running through the gears. That was first, second, and third. Cruising in fourth now. This car is, I don't know, I think it's running the best it ever has, actually. I can't believe that it ran so long for as well as it did, and in the condition of the wiring harness for the throttle body. That was crazy to me, but it surprisingly has a good amount of pep. I think it surprises you, especially once it gets up in the RPM range. It's a momentum car for sure, a little bit, but not slow by any means. And with the Bilstein V8s and the lowering springs, it handles really, really well. Like this car would surprise a lot of people. The way it feels, the way it drives, it feels way more dynamic than what you would think of when you think of, you know, mid-90s Mercedes, you know, just typical sedan. It's not a typical sedan per se, but yeah, just even a 90s Benz in general. I wouldn't imagine to feel this tight. I mean, the steering is like sharp, suspension feels sharp, and the responsiveness with the manual gearbox and the V8 is plenty. So I gotta turn the heat back on. I'm getting cold, guys, so I'll catch you guys over. All right, you guys, We made it. I'm so proud of this car. Oh man, what a machine. Man, she made it. Good job, car. See you later today. You know you love your car when you do this every time. Alright you guys, we have made it into my classroom. Here, ready to work. For those that don't know or maybe new to the channel, this is what I do full time. I'm a middle school teacher for career and technology education. I teach programming, video production, design. I used to do applied engineering, and yeah, just a good world to be in. Get to share my passions with these students. But that's what I'll be doing for the next, 6-7 hours. And I will catch you guys back at the car. I'm gonna go try to clear out some of the drains during lunchtime because I haven't done that yet. So I'll catch you guys probably around then. All right, you guys, much later in the day. Didn't get a chance to come out during lunch, but let's go ahead, take this lovely ride home. Got a few chores tonight. Might take you guys along for. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh man, just got done playing basketball with the kids. A little tired, ready to get home. All right. Definitely sounds good. Not quite fast like the other cars, but still fun. Hey, look at that. We're about to hit 7777. And we're at 188.80. That's funny. Numbers. W163 in front of us. What is it? 350? 320? I like that lower brake light. It's cool. Trail hitch or tow hitch. All right, catch you guys back at home. All right, you guys, home. There is one thing I gotta do for this car right now. I've had this around and I haven't put it on yet. Gotta decide where it's going. Alright, I need help, guys. So obviously most of the stickers on both of the cars have gone on the rear side windows. Do something like this. I don't really like that. The other spot be kind of cool. Be up top here. See if I can get that to stick. Stay there for a second. It's not bad. Maybe like it on the side better though. It matches with this side good because it's got the black and white. We could do something like this. The other one, I was thinking about making the same exact sticker but just with white lettering and putting it on, so maybe I should save it. Might use it for something else. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think and I'll put it on if you guys want me to. Where on the car, or should I print, you know, just the white vinyl letters with no background? We'll come back to this. And we'll be back to you later. Alright guys, well I think we're gonna call the video there. Super glad finally got to drive the E420 to work and I can start, you know, throwing it into the routine of the daily driver cycle that I try to put all the cars on. I need to get the MO63 done, so expect a video on that either Friday or Saturday. And like I told you guys in the last video, something really cool is supposed to be here soon, so definitely shoot that as well once it gets here. We have a shoot planned, not this week but the next, something that we're doing for FCP Euro. So I won't give it away, but that should be coming up. And I got a few other jobs we need to get done that I have in mind. I want to do the big brake kit on the E420 now that it's up and running, and can start working on some stuff on that car. Other things, I know you guys wanted to see the MO55 kind of long-term review, so I will throw that in the mix as well, and kind of a general update about that car and what the plans are going forward, because it's had a long tenure now, and you guys always love the MO55 content. I know there's a lot of you that have W163s that watch the channel, so I definitely want to show you guys some love. And I really want to, as we're getting closer to springtime, I really want to get the C55 out to some autocross days. It's been so long I've been wanting to do that. I don't know how it hasn't happened yet, but it just hasn't. But it's something I definitely have on the radar and just need to get out and do. Like, I just need to force myself, stop whatever I got going on, go out and just do it, you know, one day, and enjoy the car, just have fun ripping it around, and, you know, in a proper environment. So yeah, the journey continues. There's always going to be more stuff. Obviously, 4 cars, old, they're always going to need stuff, and I always got mods planned. So thank you guys for checking this one out. Hope you guys are happy the E420 is officially back as well. And yeah, thank you guys for all your help trying to diagnose and figure it out and problem solve throughout all of it. Really appreciate it, and look forward to the next video with you guys. So stay tuned, have a good day, and catch you on the next video. Peace.